Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Are you running an online store and struggling to make your product stand out? For many e-commerce owners, high-quality product photography can be one of the biggest challenges. Hiring a professional photographer, models, renting a studio, and editing photos can quickly become expensive, not to mention time-consuming. But here's the good news. You no longer need to spend thousands of dollars on professional photo shoots. Thanks to the power of AI, you can now generate stunning product photos and even promotional videos in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I show you step by step how to use an AI-powered tool called SellerPic to transform simple product images into professional-looking photos featuring fashion models. On top of that, I'll also show you how to create short videos for your products, something that can boost your sales and engagement even further. So let's dive in. So the tool we'll be using is called SellerPic. This is an AI-powered image generator built specifically for e-commerce. So click the link in the description below to access the website. Once there, click Start Free Trial and sign up with your email. After logging in, you'll receive 20 free credits that you can use to generate images or videos. So your dashboard will give you access to multiple features such as virtual try-on accessories, virtual try-on apparel, swap fashion model, image to video conversion, and editing tools like background remover, enhancer, retoucher, extender, etc. So let's walk through each of these features in detail. Let's start with virtual try-on accessories. So suppose you sell jewelry like earrings, necklaces, or even handbags. Instead of hiring a model, you can use the virtual try-on accessories. So to showcase your products on fashion models. So let's upload the product image we want to promote. For example, I have one right here. This is a necklace. On the right hand panel, you'll see product preset models. Select one of these models, or you can upload your own image in the costume tab. So just pick one, and once selected, click Generate. Within 1 to 2 minutes, the AI produces a high quality photo of your product on the model. The result looks professional, crisp, and realistic, perfect for product listings, social media ads, or promotional banners. So if you want to switch to another product, say a sling bag, the process is the same. So just upload the product, choose a model, and generate. So every time the quality remains consistent and polished. You can see it clearly. Now let's talk about clothing. So let's click on virtual try on apparel. So this tool is incredibly useful for online fashion stores that want to display how garments look when worn without paying for a photo shoot. So here's how it works. You'll see two options, separates like t-shirts, jeans, or one-piece garments like dresses, etc. So let's upload our clothing image. So you have two choices, select from model library or upload your own model. So I'll click on select from model library. You can filter models by gender, age, and background settings. Pick the model you like and hit generate. So within minutes, you'll see your product showcased naturally on the model. You can also try pose variations. So click on it. So you have right here, pick up to 12 poses for pose variation. So you have full view front, close up, full view back, detail shot front, close up back, profile view, bottom full view front, bottom close up front, bottom profile view, bottom full view back, etc. So this variety can significantly increase customer trust and engagement because it gives shoppers a better understanding of how the clothing looks from different angles. Now this time let's try swap fashion model. So sometimes you may want to test how your product looks on different types of models. For example, changing demographics to appeal to different customer segments. So the swap fashion model tool makes this super easy. So let's upload a product photo, select the model you want to swap in, then click generate. So in just a few moments, your product will appear on a brand new model. So this flexibility is invaluable for stores targeting multiple audiences. You can, for example, use one model for your website and another for a specific ad campaign without having to redo the product shoot. This time, let's try image to video conversion. So, this feature is, in my opinion, one of the most powerful in SellerPic. So, video is becoming increasingly important in e commerce, with studies showing that product videos can increase conversions by up to 80%. So, here's how you can create one. So, click on image to video section, upload your product image. So, add a text prompt describing the action. So, I have one right here, for example. Choose whether you want stable style or creative style, slightly more stylized. Select the video length, so you have 5 or 10 seconds, and hit generate. You also have auto synchronize audio feature, which automatically generates background audio for your video. So the end result is a short, professional looking clip you can use in ads, TikToks, Instagram Reels, or even on your product page. Beyond its main features, SellerPic also comes with built-in editing tools to fine-tune your visuals. So you have background remover, it eliminates distracting backdrops and keep only the product. You have background replacer, image retouch, image enhancer, image extender, which expands your image canvas to fit banners or ads. So these extras make the platform a one-stop solution for creating e-commerce ready content. Tips for using AI product photos effectively. So you need to be consistent. Use the same product or model style across your store for a polished look. So use A/B testing, try different models or settings for your ads to see which performs best. Use short videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook ads. Showcase multiple items in one AI generated image to encourage bundled purchases. Always ensure your visuals align with your brand aesthetics. Tools like SellerPic give you the freedom to generate high quality product photos and videos in minutes. What do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. Before we end this video, start your e-com store in 10 minutes flat. Create your own high converting e-com store in just a few clicks and sell anything, anywhere. With hundreds of ready-made plug-and-play templates. Easy to use, no-code e-com store builder. Dozens of payment gateways from around the world. Sell anywhere without restrictions. No profit sharing or charges per order. Create breathtaking sale pages for your products. Powerful analytics inbuilt, and a lot more. Shop Funnels is all you need to set up your e-com store. So what are you waiting for? Get Shop Funnels now. Just go to getshopfunnels.in.